7 steps in decision making process. So this is a very detailed step as compared to a rational model. Okay, so the first step, identify opportunity to solve the problem and investigate the problem. This is the first step. Step 2, identify objective. Here, objective refer to our aim in handling the problem. We try to come out with a possible solution. Step 3, we generate alternative. So here we try to come out with any possible creative solution. Plan A, plan B, plan C, plan D, and so on. Step 4, then we evaluate alternative based on the criteria in terms of time, cost, budget, energy, and so on. Next, step 5. Based on the evaluation, we choose a possible solution that give more advantage to companies. So reach decision. Reaching decision is a stage we choose solution that give more advantage to companies. Okay, next, choose implementation strategy. So here we need to decide how to implement the solution. Okay, how to implement the solution or alternative. And lastly, we conduct observation. Observation in form of monitoring and evaluating the action, the solution that we implemented. Next, group decision making. So group decision making is a situation where managers and employees work together in making decision. So at least we have 8 possible group decision making technique: brainstorming, nominal group technique, Delphi, and so on. So among the list, the syllabus focus on 3 major techniques, which is brainstorming, nominal, and Delphi technique. So brainstorming is a technique where every group member generate as many novel ideas, as many ideas as possible, because the aim of brainstorming is to generate more ideas and creativity. So this is a brainstorming, more ideas with creativity. For nominal group technique, it is a structured process, means a step-by-step process designed to stimulate creative decision making. So nominal group technique, the member will list out the idea, record the idea, and finally present the idea. Okay, present the idea. Lastly, Delphi. Delphi use expert, okay, pakar, expert to make prediction and forecast about the future. So manager try to get expert opinion. Okay, expert opinion. Next, advantage of group decision making. So here we have at least 10 advantages. Firstly, when we make a decision based on a group, we share experience and expertise. Number 2, when we make decision in a group, more information, data, and facts available. Number 3, the problems will be viewed from many angles, many perspectives. Number 4, we reach higher member satisfaction. Number 5, when we make decision in a group, employees tend to show greater acceptance and commitment. 6, more information and knowledge are available. 7, more alternative or possible solution are likely to be generated because the more member we have, the more alternative available. Number 8, more acceptance of the final decision. 9, it will result in better communication. And lastly, we will produce better decision. Disadvantages of group decision making. So the more member we have, it require greater time. Greater time. So we take longer time to reach decision. Number 2, group decision making. Group decision making usually present individual domination. So or minority domination. So it means that some people tend to show informal leadership position because of his or her personality or style of involvement. So our decision in group is influenced by this individual domination. Number 3, when we make decision in a group, it is not easy to achieve a compromise decision. Compromise means consensus, kesepakatan. So it is not easy to achieve a kesepakatan or compromise, consensus decision. Decision based on finding acceptable solution that is agreed by everyone. It is very hard to achieve consensus decision. Number 4, a group decision making sometimes concern for individual interests rather than group goals. Next, social pressure during making decision. Number 6, group think. And lastly, group decision making is very expensive because it requires a sacrifice in terms of time, money, and energy. So thank you for watching. Get ready your learning point. All the best and good luck.